everybody.
Welcome to Lady Vibe,
Your podcast for
better well-being. We're so thrilled you joined us today. My name is Rachel. I'm your host.
My name is Ning Rosenthal, your co-host.
Love to ask you, Ning, what was it that inspired us to create this podcast?
That's a $1 million question there. So I have a long history with healthcare. Both of my parents are healthcare providers. My dad is a Chinese medicine doctor. My mom is a primary care doctor who took care of the villagers where I grew up. So I have seen them save lives, help people growing up. So I got into medical school myself, and I have been working in healthcare for more than 2 decades. Half of that was in public health.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, it's just sad to see that so many people are still suffering, right, from different these conditions. So much misinformation out there about health across the globe on the internet. So I really want to do something with you to bring the correct information, science-based information to people to help people live a happier and healthier life. So how
100%.
about you, Rachel?
My parents are both medical. My dad was a primary care doctor as well. Mom is a nurse, and she has worked in both hospice, infectious disease, as well as primary care with my dad. My dad really has been the inspiration for my healthcare journey. He, unfortunately was diagnosed with a rare form of stomach cancer called Brenton's disease in 2012. And, shortly following his passing, I moved to Washington, D.C., and have been fortunate to work with some of the nation's top companies focused on developing new medical technologies that improve patient experience. I just wanted to continue the mission of bringing forth better healthcare to Americans by driving new innovation, new technology, catalyst for that. We've developed this friendship over a number of years, and we're so excited to bring forward so many experts and so many interesting people.
We're experts of finding people.
We are
finding the experts to address different topics. So Rachel, what kind of topics are we going to cover in our podcast?
We're focused on thinking about nutrition, fitness. We all love our fitness challenges. So some folks that have some really great experience training people with that. And then we're going to touch on some more serious topics like, disease management. And Ning, I know you're passionate about prevention.
So the best doctor treat diseases before they happen.
100%.
Right? After you get a heart attack, that's too late. But there's also secondary prevention to prevent you from getting more severe complications from that. So for me, it's all about prevention. So nutrition, fitness, stress management, better sleeping, those are all for preventing disease from happening. But then after disease happens, after you get a cancer diagnosis, what do you do? Right. So we want to touch upon that as well. So we may get different clinicians, experts in the treatment area to the studio, right, Rachel? So that
100%.
we can get you the most up to date, or most advanced information for you to make the right decision for your treatment.
Actually, our next podcast will feature someone that has a fantastic experience training clients in the fitness arena. She also is really great training as a nutritionist, and she'll speak to, what is the diet that women after 35 should be focused on. Ning and I both were taking notes as she was presenting to us. So certainly very happy to have our first, couple of podcasts focused on nutrition. And then, we really also want to hear from you, what are the most pressing questions? What is it on your mind? What are you thinking about? what's keeping you up at night. We all know this day and age that there's just so many expectations put on us as it relates to our jobs and managing our families, managing our stress. We want to be your source for inspiration. We want to be a community. We want to be a place that people feel comfortable.
Yeah, you said it all, Rachel. We want to create a safe community for all women to be able to
Yes.
share their experience, learn useful things, and we grow better and happier together. As Rachel said, we definitely want to hear from you. We will select some topics that we think are important at the beginning, and later on, we will incorporate more feedback from our audience. So, Rachel, how can people find us?
So we'll be on Facebook, we'll be on Instagram, as well as YouTube, TikTok. So please follow us. Please make comments, give us your thoughts on really what you're interested in, what you're going through. And we're so thrilled to bring this forward. And I think Ning touched on this earlier, but the mission of Lady Vibe is really to improve the well-being, of women, right? And so we think that that's across three main domains, which is physical, social, and mental, right? And so we're gonna touch on all of those areas, and our podcast will be 10 to 20 minutes a week. Expect it once a week on the same day, and we're so thrilled
It's
to
going to
bring
be
it
Lady
forward.
Vibe Tuesday. So
Lady Vibe Tuesday.
yeah, we'll release new episode every Tuesday. And Rachel, I think we also want to hear our audience stories. We want to hear your
Yep.
story. If you have a story to share, we're sharing, and you want to get on our podcast,
Yep.
message us on
Yes.
social media.
That's exactly right. Hit follow and feel free to send us a message. And we so look forward to answering your questions, meeting with you, and bringing together this wonderful community. Is there any other points to highlight, Ning?
Uh, if you like our podcast, you like what you hear, what you see, share it with your friends. The more people we have in the community, the bigger impact we can make together. We look forward to see you in our next episode. Have a fabulous day.
Have a fabulous day.